Hello friends, this is Abhijit Paur. In this video, we are going to learn when we use Hyper-V in Windows Server 2012 R2, then how to create or enable virtual switches. So first, you have to go to the Server Manager option, click on Tools, go to the Hyper-V Manager. Once we go to the Hyper-V Manager, on the right hand side, you can see an option called as a Virtual Switch Manager, or you can right click this server and you can see option here also, Virtual Switch Manager. Click on this particular option and then you can see on the right side we have option to create a virtual switch. In this option you can see there are three choices. Either you can create a virtual switch which works as an external virtual switch which can connect your virtual machine to the external network. The second virtual switch that we can create is an internal virtual switch. Using this particular switch, we can connect all the virtual machines with each other that we have created inside Hyper-V, as well as the host also. And the third one is the private. This particular virtual switch, if we create as a private, then what will happen? We can connect multiple virtual machines created on the Hyper-V platform with each other. So remember the limitation of each virtual switch. Private, it is the communication between VM to VM. Internal, communication provided between VM and VM and host. External can be used for communication between VM host and the external network also. So how to create it? So I will click on the button create virtual switch. You have three options available: external network, internal network and private network. So I have to give the name first for the virtual switch. I will say ABC as the name of the switch. Any description you want to give, you can type the description over here. I will say that this particular switch will be an internal network switch, and then if you want to configure virtual LAN, you can configure the virtual LAN number over here, and if you do not want, just remove this particular tick mark. Now you can click on apply, and then once the virtual switch is created, then how we will use it or how we will connect our machines to this. So whenever you are creating a new virtual machine, and when you go to this particular option, when you click next, next, and when you come to the option of networking, now in the drop down you can see the virtual switch that we have created. You can select that virtual switch and then you can proceed by connecting your machine to that particular switch. So this is how we can create the virtual switches, and then the same virtual switches can be used for connecting our virtual machines with each other. So this is all about the virtual switches in Hyper-V Manager. Thank you very much.